In your case, you had a jury that was predominantly female and predominantly black. Here you have a jury which is predominantly female but predominantly white.
Yes.
How much of an impact will that have potentially? As we saw in the OJ case, or many people believe there was a miscarriage of justice there, could we see a similar situation here?
Well, you know, it's hard to say, and I've actually given some thought to that issue, the jury makeup in this case, and why the lawyers chose these particular jurors. And it's hard to say. You know, to sit in the courtroom and be a lawyer in that trial, and even though you're not speaking to the jurors directly, to have an interaction, to see them, how they interact with others, you get a sense of who they are and what their views are and how they react to the evidence. We can't really see that, or I can't really see that, so I'm just not sure. I mean, why these 6 individuals as opposed to some others? You know, a lot of people will say if the case is lost by the prosecution that, you know, the racial makeup of the jury.
I mean, one key aspect also could be that a lot of people in Florida have guns. I think at least 4 members of the 6-woman jury have family members who own guns.
Sure.
And they may believe that if you own one, you have a right to defend yourself in that situation.
Well, having a family member who owns a gun is a lot different from owning a gun oneself.
Final question about O.J. Simpson. Obviously got into a whole heap of new trouble after the trial that you were involved in. What are your thoughts on him today and what's happened to him?
Well, you know, when the trial ended and when I wrote a book about the trial called In Contempt, on the back cover, I wrote this little thing, and I said that, you know, we all get ours in the end, you know. And he has certainly gotten his. I mean, he is very lucky.
Do you believe he's serving the punishment he should have served for the case that you brought against him or tried to win?
No, he was found not guilty of double murder in L.A., and there shouldn't be a penalty for that. I think he's serving time for what he did in Las Vegas, which was